What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the future. For decades, the BMW X5 has been the benchmark for luxury SUVs, the boss, the one everyone tries to beat. But for 2026, it looks like BMW isn't just raising the bar, they're launching it into a different galaxy. What you are looking at are concept images that give us a stunning preview of what could be the next generation 2026 BMW X5. And let me tell you, it is bold. So buckle up, because we're breaking down the design, the tech, the potential power, and of course, the price. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the front, because, wow, this is a complete revolution from the X5 we know. BMW is doubling down on that aggressive, futuristic look. You've got these super slim, almost hidden laser headlights that give it an intense stare. And the kidney grills? They're massive, they're illuminated, and they make an insane statement. It's not just a grille. It's a centerpiece. This design screams confidence and tells everyone else on the road, I am the future. Now let's swing around to the back. They've continued that sleek, minimalist theme. Look at those taillights, just clean, sharp, horizontal lines of red light. It's so clean, so modern. You can also see a more aggressive coupe-style roofline, making the X5 look more athletic than ever. And check this out. The badge here says BMW X. Is this a new sub-brand, a new trim, or just a concept name? Whatever it is, it looks incredible. This design is pure muscle and sophistication. But the real story is when you step inside. This is where BMW is just flexing. Welcome to your personal sanctuary of tech and luxury. Your eyes are immediately drawn to that massive curved display that seamlessly blends the driver's gauges and the main infotainment screen. This is your command center, running BMW's latest iDrive system. The materials look absolutely top tier. You've got this beautiful quilted leather, brushed aluminum trim, and that signature ambient lighting that you can customize to your mood. This isn't just a car interior, it's a first-class lounge for the road. It's spacious, high-tech, and incredibly luxurious. Okay, so it looks like $1 million, but what's under the hood? Now, BMW hasn't released official specs, but based on their current direction, we can make some serious predictions. Engine. The workhorse. Expect a refined version of BMW's legendary 3-liter inline-6 engine, likely with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. We're probably looking at around 380 horsepower for the base models. Smooth, powerful, and efficient. The powerhouse, the PHEV, is gonna be a game changer. Look for a significant boost in all-electric range, possibly up to 60 miles or around 96 kilometers on a single charge. Combined with the inline-6, total output could easily push 500 horsepower. This next-gen X5 will be faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. All right, the big question. What's the price for all this future tech and design? Again, this is an estimate, but based on current pricing and the leap in technology, here's what you should expect. The 2026 BMW X5 will likely start at around $70,000 USD for the base inline-6 model. If you want that incredible new plug-in hybrid, you'll probably be looking closer to $80,000 to $85,000 USD for that. And for the top-of-the-line V8 M Performance model, prepare your wallet for a price tag well north of $130,000 USD. Yes, it's a premium price, but you're getting a vehicle that is shaping up to be the undisputed king of the luxury SUV world. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 BMW X5 looks to be a masterpiece of design and engineering. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's packed with jaw-dropping technology. It's taking the legacy of the X5 and rocketing it into the next decade. But I want to know what you guys think. Is this new design a massive hit or a disappointing miss? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next look into the future of cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.